today's episode of the Pretend Cooking Show, we are making Cookie Monster popcorn.
Oh, me love Cookie Monster popcorn. Yum, 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 yum.
I'm here with my sidekick and freshman college graduate, Hunter. So all we need are a bowl of popcorn, 2 cups of white chocolate chips, 1.5 cups of Oreos, 1.5 cups of chocolate chip cookies, and 1 teaspoon of cooking oil, then some food coloring, blue food coloring, and black food coloring. The first thing we do is melt the chocolate chips. We're going to mix 1 teaspoon of cooking oil with the white chocolate chips, and then we will mix that all together, put it in the microwave for 20 seconds, stir it, microwave again until everything is soft and melted. And then you quickly mix in your blue food coloring. Just a couple drops. Oh, there you go. Nice blue food coloring. Nice blue.
Cookie Monster blue.
Cookie Monster blue chocolate chips. White chocolate chips. And then you pour that over the popcorn. Pour half of it into the popcorn and stir it up. I want to get it to coat really well.
This is a little challenging.
Is it challenging?
Yes.
That's
I'm
why you only
spilling.
use half at the time. You can use your hands, because we've washed our hands, to make sure that it doesn't fall out of your bowl. It's not that hot at this point. Yummy.
Alright, I'm going to add
Okay, add some
the
more.
rest.
Spread it around as you add it. Once that's all mixed, we're going to spread it out on a parchment-lined cookie sheet.
Ooh.
This is so much fun and so simple. You just spread it out. Not too much, just make sure it's all together, kind of a single layer-ish. Doesn't have to be perfect, that's great. And then we're gonna crumble in cookies! Cookies! That's right, Cookie Monster. We're gonna crumble in cookies.
Cookies. We love cookie.
Okay. We've got gluten-free Oreos that we were putting in. You don't have to use gluten-free anything. You can. This will be a totally gluten-free dish. And you crumble it in so that it tops evenly. Because as we know, Cookie Monster loves cookies. But
It does not stop there.
it does not stop there, because show us his favorite cookie.
Oh, the chocolate chip cookie. We love chocolate chip cookies.
And we put those in, and then we're going to press those into the chocolate so that
Ooh, my hands are turning them blue.
it stays. And 1 chocolate chip cookie is not enough. These are the gluten-free chocolate chip cookies that we made in a previous episode.
They've been in the freezer.
They have been in the freezer. So push that all together so that it stays. And it does not look like Cookie Monster yet, does it? Because we are going to make the googly eyes.
And now for the eyes, we're going to use extra white chocolate chips and press them in upside down, and then dot them with black food coloring to make them look like googly eyes.
Look like a googly eye right there. Oh, nice. And we put that into the refrigerator for about a half an hour to cool and solidify, and voila, you will have Cookie Monster popcorn. Here it is. Are you ready? Are you excited?
Ready.
Okay. Let's get a good piece. Cheers.
Cheers.
Googly eyes.
Mmm.
Popcorny, sweet, cookie-ish.
Cookie.
Definitely a special treat dessert.
Cookie Monster would approve.
Oh, Cookie Monster, nom 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 nom. Oh, so good, nom nom nom.